Ah, nature call. Oh, ah. That was number one. Let's get number two. Oh, good day, America. It's your old friend Bill Buck Roscoe here today to tell you what chopped my biscuits. While Nancy Pelosi's been holding up the money for small businesses, she's found time to do a webcast showing off her insanely expensive stash of ice cream in one of her two fancy schmancy double fridges. Hey, I wonder what she keeps in the other one. Booze? Her teeth? Botox? Hillary's trail of bodies? Or how about AOC's brain on ice? What do you think, Patriots, is in the mystery fridge? Let's hear those ideas, because I know you got plenty of them. America, I'm Billy Buck Roscoe, and I'm done with it.